in the Philippines. And life is good. Oh, I like that pattern. Reversible beach towel travel bag. Oh, there's so many in here. Homemade. Blanket $40, and then the pillows down there. I wonder how much is the popcorn. Let me see how much the popcorn. $20. Okay, I need to see this one. I think I like this one. Okay, the other one, the other one. I want to see the other one. But how much is this? $15 placemat. Like this one. Why are you hiding? Oh, textile. It's not really not really fabric. $15. Much better if it's fabric like this, where you can put something inside. I like it. It's so pretty, isn't it? But can I make a fabric out of a bag, tote? No, no fabric. That is $8. I really like the pattern. I could never the fabric. I really like. I can't find it anywhere. What the puppy? I did not get the Starbucks one like 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. But I think this one will do. So both um, wash before use. Okay. Set of 4, 1776 placemat, $17. This is the only. Okay, here there's another. Oh, I like that quilt. Okay, hold on. What is the last one? Set of 4, Tommy Bahama, $15. Oh. What else? Let me see. Ah, that is cute. Look at this one. Oh my gosh. That is cute. How much? $8. I wonder if it's double-sided. This is so cute. You can see it. No, it's not double-sided. That's cute though. They're not double-sided. Oh. I wonder what else we could see. We could find. Oh, this is cute though. What is this? Oh, activity paper. This is so cute. Look at that. Home on the range. For God so loved the world. I like that one.